Plano, Texas today. We actually had a client that has the old 1960s wood paneling, as you can tell, nice and pretty, but it's a little outdated for the current 2021 style. Reason I know it's 1960 something is due to some of the trim we pulled off. There was actually a barcode on it and a date stamp for like 1962. Other than that, we're going to kind of walk you through the process of taking this down, fixing the sheetrock behind it, and then of course, depending on your job, depends on kind of what aspect we're going to go about it, and of course get you going from there. So if you do have that wood paneling, part of that process is once you actually remove the wood paneling, we got to scrape off all this glue. This sheetrock is still salvageable, so what we're going to do is pretty much scrape this off, sand it down a little bit. We're going to skim coat it with the drywall mud, and then once we do that, instead of keeping the old crow's foot texture, we'll keep it up on the ceiling just because that wasn't covered by the insurance company, but on the walls, we're going to skim coat this, sand it back down, pretty much just give us a fresh plane to play with. And then we're going to put some orange peel texture, which of course will update the house back to the 2021 styles. And then of course with colors, we're going to go from the old orange and weird crazy whack colors and bring those up to date with, you know, the grays, the whites, stuff like that. Other than that, if the sheetrock is salvageable, we're of course going to try to save that to keep the cost down as much as possible. If it is not salvageable, then of course we're going to rip it all the way down to the studs and start from scratch. Same with all of our floors, everything in here, we're going to go back with a newer style, just because we can't access and install any of this stuff from the 60s. We can't find it, and of course labor-wise, if we bring our carpenters out here to match any of this stuff, it'd be almost impossible. So if your house is a little outdated, has the old wood panel or old paint, stuff like that, we'd love to come out, give you an estimate to rip it all down, put the fresh sheetrock, get you some fresh texture, and of course new paint colors, trim, all that good stuff, get you put back together again. So anyways, this is Garrett with Warrior Wolf. Y'all have a good day.